Okay, first one. So we have y is 4 to the power x, and we want to write 64x in terms of y. So that's 4 cubed x, which is 4 to the power 3x, which is 4x cubed, which is y cubed. Then 4 to the 9x minus 2, well that's 4 to the 9x, take away means divide, divided by 4 to the 2, which is y9 over 16. And last one, 32x, well, 32, I can write that as 2 to the power 5x, so 2 to the power 5x, and I can write 2 as 4 to the half, so times the powers, and we get 4 to the power 5 over 2x, so it's y to the power 5 over 2. Okay, next one. We have y equals 3x add 1 to the power 5 e to minus 2x, and we want the gradient, the exact gradient. So we need to differentiate it. So we need our u's and our v's. So u equals 3x add 1 to the power 5, v equals e to the minus 2x, u dash is 5, 3x add 1 to the power 4, that is times by the derivative, times by 3, so that's 15, 3x plus 1 to the power 4, differentiate v, we get minus 2 e to the minus 2x, and then times them. So the formula is uv dash plus du dash for dy by dx. So we get dy by dx equals 15, 3x add 1 to the power 4 e to the minus 2x, take away 2, 3x plus 1 to the power 5 e to the minus 2x. Sub in x equals 1, so we get 4 to the power 4 4 to the power 4, then we're going to times that by 15, so I've got 3 4 e to the power of minus 2, take away, that's 4, so 4 to the power 5, times by 2, 2 or 4 8, e to the minus 2, and take it away, gives me 1792 e to the minus 2. And that's it. I'll leave it like that because the one's exact. Look, the only bit I had to use calculator for was the actual arithmetic. I didn't have to type it all in at once because it wouldn't give me exact answers. Third one, we have un add 1 is 2un, take away 5, and we know u1 is 6, and we want the sum from r is 3 to 5 of ur, so that means u3 add u4 add u5. So I've got u1 is 6, so u2, I'll put 6 into there, so it's 2 times 6, take away 5, which gives me 7. u3, I do 2 times 7, take away 5 gives me 9. u4, 2 times 9, take away 5 is 13. And u5, 2 times 13, take away 5 gives me 21. And I add together u3 to u5, so these added together gives me 43. Fourth one, we have ln 4 minus 2x plus ln 9 minus 3x equals 2 ln x add 1. Well, we need to get in terms of 1 ln to this side, but times. So 4 take away 2x times 9 take away 3x. When I add two logs, remember with times. And this one I'm going to take the 2 to the power, so ln x add 1 squared. Now I can cancel out the ln, so do e on both sides. which will cancel out the lines. I'm just going to expand the bracket. So 36, take away 12x, take away 18x plus 6x squared is x squared at 2x at 1. Take everything to one side, so 5x squared. Take away 30x, 32x plus 35 equals 0. Then we solve it on here. 5 minus 32, 35. We get x is 5, or x is 1.4, which I guess is 7 over 5. And then we have to remember, since we use logs, to sub them back into check. So if I put 5 back into this one, 2 times 5 is 10, 4 take away 10 is minus 6. So 5 won't work there. 1.4. So 2 times 1.4 is 2.8. So I can take away from 4 and get positive. 3 times that is 4.2, to do a positive number still. And 1.4 add 1 is positive. So that does work. So that's my only answer. 1.4. And last one. Solving between 0 and 360. 2 times squared theta plus sec theta equals 1. So I need to change that one, so squared, into a sec. I can't change that one because there's no squared. So remember the formula, I'm going to write it, top 1 plus tan squared theta, the same as sec squared theta. So tan squared is sec squared theta minus 1. So expand. Take everything to one side. And I can make it into a quadratic by saying y is sec theta, 2y squared plus y minus 3. Solve it on here, 2, 1, minus 3. I get y is 1, y is minus 3 over 2. So that's what sec is. So sec theta is 1, sec theta is minus 3 over 2. So I do the reciprocal to get cos. So cos theta is 1, cos theta is minus 2/3. And then you know how to solve those. Make sure you're in degrees. And then we can do cos minus 1 of 1. So one answer is, a bit of space, so we get 0 from there. And I would take that away from 360 and get 360, but it can't equal 360. So just 0. Then for this one, cos minus 1 of minus 2 over 3, which gives me 313.8. Take that away from 360, gives me 228.2. So there's our 3 answers.